Shut up and sit down.
Speech on Beat Plastic Pollution. Beat Plastic Pollution speech for students and children in English. Greetings and salutation. Plastic pollution in today's world has become one of the most alarming environmental issues. The world is being overburdened with the rapid increase in the production of disposable plastic products. Plastics are low cost and long lasting, which leads to high plastic production by humans. The chemical structure of plastics makes them resistant to many natural processes of degradation, as a result of which they are not easily degraded. Plastic becomes a problem as it acts like a sponge. It soaks up other toxic chemicals and pollutants present in the ocean. Eventually, when the plastic breaks down, these chemical and harmful substances get released into the environment along with additives such as color, which turns out to be highly toxic. After World War II, the production and development of numerous new plastic products had been accelerated. In the modern age, life without plastic is unimaginable. Even though plastic was very convenient, as people started engaging in the throw-away culture, the dark side of the product was disclosed. The lifespan of many plastic products such as plastic bags or polythene is of mere minutes to hours. However, they persist in the environment for hundreds of years. Major rivers act as conveyor belts carrying the trash, which includes plastic waste into the seas. Once the plastic trash reaches the sea, it remains in the coastal waters. However, if it gets caught in ocean currents, it can be transported around the globe. Every single year, millions of birds, animals, fishes, and other marine organisms are being killed due to plastic. Plastic is known to have affected around 700 species, including endangered ones. Almost every species of seabird eats plastic. Entanglement and starvation is the primary cause for the death of the marine animals. Plastics have been found to have blocked digestive tract or torn organs, causing death. Starvation was created as the stomachs were filled with plastics, which reduced the urge to eat. Land-based animals such as elephants, zebras, tigers, camels, etc. have consumed plastic and, in some cases, died. Plastic also hampers human lives in many ways. One of them being that most of the food that we consume comes in plastic containers that contain BPAs. It is an endocrine disruptor. The body functions that are regulated by the human endocrine system are metabolism, heart rate, digestion, and fertility. Research done in the year 2018 by the World Health Organization (WHO) showed that 90% of the bottled water that people consume had microplastics in them. Although the effect of microplastics on human health is not known, as such scientists agree that as microplastics hurt the health of other species, it can be good for us as well. Burning trash in the open air is a widespread practice in many parts of the world, where there is no proper waste management system. This practice allows chemicals from plastic that are released during the process to enter our bodies even when we naturally are breathing. Thank you.